Grass Airdrop Session 2, a great opportunity for those who missed Grass Airdrop Session 1. The Grass project did not disappoint users who participated in the first airdrop. Grass was listed on several major exchanges, reached an all-time high ADH of $1.50, and currently trades at $1.48, according to the data at the time of this video. This airdrop has helped users earn thousands of dollars through the platform. For those who are not familiar with this project, let's go over the main components of Grass. And at the end of the video, we'll provide instructions on how to join Grass Session 2 for new members. What is Grass? Grass is a decentralized web scraping protocol that leverages blockchain technology to create a sustainable data collection model. Grass incentivizes users to contribute their internet resources to the network of web scrapers in the protocol by offering rewards as a form of passive income. Grass allows users to earn passive income by leasing and used internet bandwidth to the protocol without compromising their privacy. All organizations purchasing bandwidth from Grass are strictly regulated, and the protocol commits to using no more than 0.3% of user resources. How Grass works. The development team behind Grass, Wine Network, identified a global surplus of unused internet bandwidth. Grass was created to harness this resource and provide bandwidth to companies and organizations, especially those in AI, who need it. All AI-related organizations purchasing bandwidth from Grass are closely monitored to ensure they don't misuse it or use it for illegal purposes. Grass commits to utilizing only up to 0.3% of users' bandwidth, which won't affect their internet speed as the system only activates when unused bandwidth is available. Users can join the Grass protocol by downloading the Grass extension on Google to start earning passive income. Grass also promises $30 in monthly earnings when users lease bandwidth to the protocol, and they can accumulate Grass points to receive Grass tokens as rewards. 3 factors influencing Grass points. IP geolocation. In some regions, certain IP addresses are in higher demand for internet bandwidth. Users in these areas may earn more Grass points. Unique IP address. Users can earn higher income by running multiple Grass accounts on different IP addresses. The more unique IP addresses in use, the higher the potential for more Grass points. Referring new users. By referring new users to Grass, you can earn additional Grass points. Gigabuds NFT. Gigabuds is a collection of 10.000 NFTs for the Grass community. NFT holders gain benefits within the Grass network, including Grass token airdrops. Users can acquire Gigabuds NFTs on Solana-supported marketplaces like Magic Eden, Tensor, and OKX NFT Marketplace. Key highlights of Grass. Easy participation. Users can easily join Grass by downloading the extension on Google or the app on Google Play. With a stable internet connection and an email, users can start earning with Grass. Passive income. Grass guarantees $30 in monthly income for selling and used internet bandwidth to the protocol. Additionally, users can earn Grass tokens through Grass points. Device support. Grass supports desktop, laptop, and mobile devices. However, the extension is currently available only for desktops, laptops, and Solana's Saga phones. Versions for Google Play and the App Store will be available in the future. Token allocation plan. According to the project, Grass tokens are allocated as follows. Community, 30%. Future incentives, 17%. Airdrop 1, 10%. Router incentives, 3%. Investors, 25.2%. Foundation and ecosystem growth, 22.8%. Contributors, 22%. Guide to participating in the Grass project airdrop. Step 1. Access the link provided in the description to register. Enter your email address, username, password, and in the referral code section, please use the support code for our channel, which is also in the description. Once complete, select Register to create an account. After successfully registering, check your email to activate your Grass account. Step 2. After creating your account, log into the Grass dashboard. Click on Connect to download the Grass desktop node. Running the Grass desktop node will allow you to earn points at a 2x rate. Proceed with downloading and installing the application. Step 3. Once the Grass desktop node app is installed, log in using the registered email and password. Select Enable Auto Start and Enable Auto Update so the system starts automatically when your computer turns on. The initial dashboard interface will display along with an Internet status utility. You can check your daily earned Grass points by selecting the utility and clicking Open Dashboard. Grass points can potentially be converted into Grass tokens in the future. Additionally, you can increase your Grass points earnings by inviting others to join Grass. Click Copy Referral Link and send it to new users. If you prefer to run the node via a Chrome extension, you can download it from the Chrome store. However, we recommend running the Grass desktop node to earn more points. Grass Project Team, Investors, and Partners. Project Team. Detailed information about the Grass development team is not yet disclosed. However, Wine Network, led by founder Andre R., is the company behind the project. Investors. In January 2023, Grass received $1 million in pre-seed funding from No Limit Holdings, Big Brain Holdings, and more. In December 2023, the project raised another $3.5 million in a seed round led by Polychain Capital, Tribe Capital, and other investors like Bitscale Capital and Big Brain Holdings. Partners. Grass is currently partnered with Solana's SagaPhone to integrate a dedicated application for this device. Additionally, Grass has recently announced a partnership with Alignment Lab AI, a company specializing in AI and the development of large language models. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest airdrop opportunities.